we walk in total victory.
Nag-review lang ako.
Hindi siya nakaano sa wood na cross. Nakapa ko pala siya doon in 3.
Yung hirap na nangyari sa kanya. Instead of us, He did that for us.
Naramdaman ng mga tao yung pagmamahal ni God.
We are not worthy pero si Jesus, kinaya niya lahat ng hirap na yon para mailigtas tayo sa kasalanan na yon.
Yun naman yung ginawa ni Jesus para masave tayo and mapunta tayo sa heaven makasama si God.
Love is a bond and sin is bondage.
Jesus took the nails for me and it's more than enough.
Jesus gave it all for us.
Jesus' blood still speaks today. Yay, praise God.
What Jesus did on the cross was not needless sacrifice. He did it because He did it out of His love for you and